Đây, được rồi đây, go eat gì đây?
Okay, hello, Bình. Can you hear me clearly?
Ôi trời ơi. Ôi.
Dạ vâng, chào chị ạ.
Chào em.
Yeah. Hello, Bình. Can you hear me clearly?
À,
Okay. Before we started our lesson, I'd like to ask you a little bit about your holiday. What about Tết holiday? Is it good with you?
not very good.
Not very good. Can you share a little bit for me? Why?
Because my lucky money is missing.
Oh, you
You
get lost the lucky money?
Yeah, I
Oh,
lost.
how terrible is it? The other take away from you, or you uh give it somewhere and you lost it.
I don't know because it's lost when I find it. When I find it. Yeah.
A little bit terrible. It's horrible. And
Yeah.
this last Sunday is the March of 8th, and did you go anywhere with your family, and especially with your mom?
Anyway,
Did you go to the restaurant or travel to any place with your family?
no.
Or no, just stay at home? And did you buy the gift for your mother?
Yes.
Okay. What did you buy?
A flower and chocolate.
Ah, wow. It's fantastic. You are a good boy. And I guess that your mother loves you so much. Okay. I think now it's time for us to move on into our lesson here. Okay. Our topic today is quite easy. So let's watch it together.
Hi there. Today's big question is, how do numbers help us?
Okay, so now, as you see here, can you guess what is our topic today?
How do numbers help us?
Okay. If mentions about a number, what do you think about? We use number for what?
The many thing. Many thing.
So can you list some of them for me? Some
Like,
activities.
like we need numbers to calculate.
Yes, calculate. What else?
Uh, what is schedule?
Plan the schedule.
Yeah.
Timetable.
Yeah.
What else? That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, what kind of subjects do you usually use the number?
Uh, study.
Statistic, right? What else?
Do math.
Math.
Okay.
Okay, you can tell some more.
No.
Okay. Now, are you in grade 6, right?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Have you ever learned this kind of subject, physics and chemistry?
Chemistry.
And biology?
Oh, I know.
Biology. For three of these subjects, we also use the number to calculate. Chemistry, we calculate for the quantity or the amount of the substance to make something
Yeah.
quantity. And for physics, maybe we use to calculate the moment or the motion of the motor, how it works and how far we can go and so on. And biology to learn about genes and calculate about um, a lot of things, tissues, genes, and so on. I guess that in grade 6 you already learned biology, but in this subjects you haven't used a lot of number, right?
Yeah.
And have you learned physics?
Yeah. And I have learned.
And what about chemistry? Have you learned it?
Yeah.
So, three of them. Which is your favorite subjects? Or don't you like them at all?
I like biology.
Biology. Nice. And which part of biology you like a lot? About nature, animal, or human, or inside of a human body?
Um, like like inside the human body.
Nice. Great. And do you have a plan? Because you like the body part and body part inside the body. So in the future, would you like to be the doctor?
Not really.
Not really. You just like something about biology, right? And in the future, what do you want to be?
Hmm?
In the future, what do you want to be?
To be what?
The career, the career path that you like.
No.
I mean, about a job. What is your favorite job in the future?
I think the favorite job is um teacher
Teacher?
or like uh, a much money job.
Ah, the job can do much money.
Yeah.
Okay. And what kind of teacher would you like to be? Math, physics, biology, art, music, English, literatures, or do you want to teach the university students?
No. Like oh yes, because like my cousins is have mm, he have teach university.
You like to teach the university?
A little bit yes, but I want to teach what teacher was like relaxed, not like math literatures. English. It's like,
Something easy, right?
yeah.
Uh-huh. You can choose arts or philosophy. Have you ever heard of that?
No.
Mm. It's about the way you live and so on. I will share for you about this one. Just wait a little bit. You thinking about your life, the way how you think about your life.
No, I don't.
Hmm. Maybe when mentions about it, you think about Mark Lenny.
I know.
Mm-hmm. This one and some of them. Yeah. Okay. Um, and then we move back to our topic about number. I would like to ask you some more things. Uh, if we mentions about a job, what kind of job do you think will use number?
Teacher.
Teacher, and especially math teacher, right?
Builder.
Okay, teacher, and what else?
Builder.
Builder, yes. Builder, we have two kind of work, architecture and engineer. Have you ever heard this word, architecture?
I know art.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Builder, and what else?
Like they draw house.
For house, and also use the number to calculate how to build a house.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Can you see the screen?
Very difficult job.
I think so. It's really hard. And engineer too. Uh, Architecture is the people like draw the plan, and engineer is the people who do the job. Look at the map, look at the plan, and build it. Right. And in addition to both of these jobs, are there any jobs that need to use number?
Do number. Um, pilot.
Hmm?
Pilot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. And anything more? Do you think of the banker?
Okay.
Mm,
Like money.
mm, yeah. Work with money and maybe in IT. Have you ever heard the word IT?
Yeah, I know.
Uh-huh. Information technology also use a lot of number, researcher, and so on. Okay, maybe we will move a little bit further.
So,
Okay, so now can you see the video?
no.
No, just wait a minute. What about now?
No. Let me.
Okay, I will share it again.
No, like returns like this.
And now?
Here. Like that.
Okay. Good. I will check the audio once again. Okay, now maybe we'll continue.
Okay, I can see.
Look at this number line. It shows the numbers 1 to 20 in order. The even numbers are blue and the odd numbers are red.
Okay, so how many kind of number are there in this line?
2.
2 kind. Yes, very good.
Odd and even.
Which kind and which kind?
Odd and even.
Odd and even. Yes, very good.
We use numbers all the time. Numbers help us to count things. We use numbers to say how old we are, and we use numbers to add things up.
Okay, in your daily life, you use number. What activity do you usually do with the number?
Age. Like giving correct age. It's like 1 year we have one age plus 1 age.
Used to calculate.
Yeah.
What else? And if we mentions about equations, and in the daily life, how many equations that you usually use?
What?
Have you ever heard the word equation? Equations like this one. If you have 1 plus 1 is 2, we call that equation. And if 2 minus 1 is called 2, is equation 2. So this one, we call that equation. And in the daily life, which kind of equation do you usually do?
Plus 1.
Plus? Anything else?
No.
No, okay. Usually we use plus, right? Yeah. And there are some more equation. Do you know this kind of equation?
Minus.
Minus. And we use it in math, right? And have you ever heard this one? And this one too.
Time.
Time.
Multiply.
Time or multiply is okay. And this one?
Divide.
Divide. Yes, very good. Okay, so now we will move on a little bit further.
Let's use numbers. How many potatoes can you see here? That's right, there are 3. How many carrots can you see here? That's right, there are 8. How many onions can you see? That's right, there are 13. Addition can also help us count things. Addition tells us how much of something we have all together. I want to make a fruit salad. We use numbers and addition when we make food. I have 3 red apples and 5 green apples.
Okay, for example, for this one, when you want to count for the total apples, which kind of equation will you use
You plus.
as plus or additions, right? Nice. Mm. And if we have total, the total amount of apples, and we just want to calculate the number of a red apple when we have the number or quantity of green apple. At that time, what kind of equations will we use?
Plus.
Contrast with plus by contrast. If we have total amount,
Minus.
minus, yes, very good.
How many apples do I have? Three apples plus 5 apples equals 8 apples. I have 8 apples. How many bananas do I have? 4 bananas plus 6 bananas equals.
Okay, I think this one may be a little bit easy for you. So maybe I will introduce a little bit more further about another equation.
Yeah.
I don't know with this kind of equation have you learned or not. Just a little bit. And as you know that if we have 5 plus 5 plus 5, it is equal with 5 times 3 because we have 3 5 here, right? And now if I have 5 times 5 times 5, we have another equation here. 5. Wait, do you know how we call that?
In English there are but I don't.
Okay, I will introduce you. This one we call power. And in this tab, we call it 5 power 3. Oh, we call this one power. And especially
Like 3.
Yes, 5 power 3. It means 3 times that you multiply 5 with 5. And power nghĩa là mũ. Okay, and especially if we have this one, 5 power 2, and at this time we 25, yes, very good, is equal 25, and at this time we can call 5 power 2, or we can call that square, 5 square. And if we have another power 2, other number power with 2, like 10 power 2 or 6 power 2, 6 power 2. We can also call this one square. Okay, so are you interested to do some equations with me?
Yeah.
Just practice a little bit. If I have 2, just 2 power 4, what do we have?
16.
Okay, yes, very good. 2 power 4 is 16. Okay, and what about 3 power 2?
9.
9?
Yeah.
Actually, we have 3 power 2, we have 9, because 3 times 3 is 9. Okay. What about, let's think, 10 power 2?
100.
Correct. Wow, you calculate so fast. Okay, nice work. And this kind of math quite different when we have number 3 minus power 0.
1.
1. And every equation, if we power with 0, we will get
1.
1. Yes, very good. Nice work. And as I mentioned before, we have 2 power 2, 3 power 2, 4 power 2, and so on. We call this one square, right? And by the contrast, we have another equation. We have this one. Do you know what kind of equation?
No, I haven't. I haven't learned this.
You haven't learned it? Okay. So I just introduced a little bit for you. We call that root.
Root.
Yes, root. It's quite like we have plus and then minus, multiply, divided, square, or power 2, and we have root. Yeah. For example, here 2 power 2 is 4. Then we have 4 with the root, we get 2. We get this number.
Oh.
And for this one, 3 square, we get 9. And then we take the root of 9, and then we get 3. Okay. So do you want to practice? Do this more practice a little bit. If I have 16 and I take the root of 16, can you guess what will I get?
4.
Of 4. And the root of 25?
5.
That's 4, 5. And the root of 81?
9.
Yes, very good. So that are equations of root. Okay, and as you see, root, if we use the root here, it means that we just have 2 on this one, root 2, normally. And if we change the number here to 3, we have the different. For example, take the root 3 of 8, then we get 2, because this one, 2 2 power 3 is 8. Okay, and so on. So the number before the root, and we have the power here, right? Okay, so now we will move a little bit to another kind of equation.
Yeah.
Have you ever heard the word average and mean?
Oh. What?
Average or mean?
No.
Okay, average and mean is like, I will give you this example. For example, math, you get 10. English, you get 10. And then literature, you get 9. And then you will calculate the average. You will get 10 plus 10 plus 9 and divide for 3.
Oh, no.
And you will get the number. So for this equation, we will call average or mean. Yeah.
No.
And a little bit more about a number. It's in the, maybe you will learn in the future in mathematics lesson or statistics lesson. Have you ever heard this one? Statistics?
No.
Okay. Statistic is that how you calculate the percentage or the value when the thing happened or not. For example, you calculate when you can get the double K when you play card or triple K when you play card. How many percentage it will occur? That we call statistic. Okay. Xác suất và thống kê. But in the secondary, maybe you will learn just the small part of statistics as I introduced you before that relate to average and usually we learn about mode and median too. Okay, mode is the thing, sorry, mode here is the things happen a lot when I have a line of number like this one, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6, 8, 10, for example, and then number 1 occur 3 times, number 2 occur 2 times. So number 1 occur a lot, so we call that mode. Number 1 is the mode. And the median, as you see here, if we use it in the other like this one, and median is the number in the middle of the line. For example, here you say, how many number do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. I will give one more, 11, and then we have, oh sorry, no. As here, we have 9, totally we have 9 number, and median is the number in the middle here. So that we call that the median.
What is so difficult?
The median is the number in the middle of the line, like this one. Sau này thì mình có học một cái gọi là the median á, ví dụ như là trong một dãy số có nhiều số chẳng hạn đi 10 hay 9 hay 11 số thì cái số đứng chính giữa thì mình gọi là median. We use it for the research when you grow and move into university. Okay, so have you ever learned IELTS? Yes, or do you define a little bit about the IELTS course or lesson, and especially the writing task?
IELTS. Writing.
Writing task, especially task 1. There are a lot of figure, right? And it use a lot of number.
What do you think IELTS is like English?
Yes, IELTS is about English, but there are 4 skills: listening, speaking, writing, and reading. But in writing task, and especially in task 1, there are the map or the pie chart, the chart you need to it use a lot of number, and you need to give the descriptions about the map. I will show you this one. Have you ever seen that figure? Here.
What?
It's quite like with the exercise in the geography, and it's related to many like
In the IELTS test is this this half bullet point. Writing task 1
yeah, writing task 1.
is this half a point. This half a point.
Yes, it's have point 2, and it takes 50% of your writing point. I will introduce you a little bit. You have listening, reading.
Like we need to like get at math and English. We can just write a test like that.
Actually, with the writing task, you don't need to learn very well at math, but in addition, you need to learn well of geography, because I remember in geography we have a lot of the reports, and we use that skill to do in writing task 1, right?
Grade 6, in English math, here we learned pie chart, like that pie chart.
Pie chart, yeah. We use math for pie chart. In pie chart, I think it's a quite it's a easy kind of chart that we can make the report, right?
Yeah.
Pie chart, and in addition, we have line chart too, and dipple chart, and so on. Okay, so now I think it's time for us to say goodbye, but because I have the next lesson. So maybe we will stop here, and the next time I will have the lesson with you last for a few more minutes. Is it okay for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye. See you next time.